Next we will see subtraction of fraction. See the first sum. Subtract 1 by 4 from 3 by 4. See the fraction 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Both are like fractions. So we can subtract this. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Like this you have to write. Because bigger number after smaller number only we can subtract. See here, for same denominator we can write one time. Next in numerator 3 minus 1 we want to write. 3 minus 1 what will come? Yes, 2. And then denominator 4 as it is we have to write. See, 2 by 4 we have. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So in numerator we have to put 1 and in denominator we have to put 2. So 1 by 2 is the final answer. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. See the next sum. Solve 1 by 2 minus 3 by 8. See these two fractions. In denominator we have 2 in first fraction and here we have 8 in denominator. These are unlike fraction. So for subtraction we have to convert this into like fraction. For that first we have to find LCM. The LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. After calculating LCM you have to write this. See here, first fraction 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we have to convert this denominator as 8. So numerator and denominator we have to multiply by 4. 1 into 4 by 2 into 4. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. Now we change the denominator as 8. Another fraction 3 by 8 has denominator 8 already. So there is no change. See the question. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 8. After changing the denominator we have to subtract this. See here, 4 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Now we can subtract this because we get the same denominator. See here, we get the common denominator 8. In numerator 4 minus 3 we have to write. 4 minus 3 what will come? Yes, 1. And then denominator 8 we want to write. So the answer is 1 by 8. Finally we get the answer 1 by 8. After changing the like fraction we have to subtract this. See the third sum. Solve 3 1 by 4 minus 1 1 by 2. See the type of fraction. Both are mixed fraction. So for addition change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. See the question. 3 1 by 4 we have to change into improper fraction. For that we have to follow this method. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. And then denominator 4 as it is we want to write. Then for 1 1 by 2 also we want to change as improper fraction. Whole number into denominator. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2 now we get. So 13 by 4 minus 3 by 2. See these two fractions. Both are unlike fractions. So we have to change into like fraction. For that we have to take LCM. If we have different denominator means we have to change into like fraction. So we want to take the LCM. LCM of 4, 2 is 4. You have to calculate the LCM. Then we will get 4 as LCM. So see the first fraction, 13 by 4 we have. In first fraction, already we have 4 in denominator. There is no change in first fraction. 13 by 4 as it is we can keep. In second fraction only we want to do the changes. Denominator as 4. See 3 by 2 we have. So we want to change denominator as 4. For that we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 3 into 2 by 2 into 2. 3 2s are what will come? 6. 2 2s are 4. Now we get the denominator as 4. Now we have to subtract this. From question, after converting into improper fraction, 13 by 4 minus 3 by 2 we get. Here 13 by 4 as it is we can keep. For 3 by 2, what we have to write? We have to write 6 by 4. Now we can subtract this. 13 minus 6 what will come? Yes, 7. And then denominator 4 as it is we have to keep. Now 7 by 4 is an improper fraction. We have to convert this into mixed fraction. For that we have to divide this. See here, divide 7 by 4 by 4 table. 1 4 is 4, then we have to subtract. 7 minus 4 what will come? 3. Now quotient is 1 and then remainder is 3. Now we can write this in mixed fraction by using this formula. So quotient is whole number, remainder is numerator, and denominator we have to write the divisor. What is your quotient? Quotient is 1 and then remainder is 3. Write 3 in numerator. In denominator, divisor 4 as it is you have to write. So 1 3 by 4 is the final answer. Let us see multiplication of fraction. First sum, multiply 1 by 4 by 12. We have to multiply 1 by 4 and 12. 1 by 4 is a fraction number and 12 is a whole number. So we want to multiply this. See here, 1 by 4 into 12. So 1 by 4 as it is we can write, and then 12 whole number we can write in fraction as 12 by 1. Each and every number has a denominator 1. So we can write 12 as 12 by 1. Now we want to multiply numerator and denominator separately. 1 into 12, 12. 4 1 is 4. So we get 12 by 4. Now we have to cancel this. 1 4 is 4. By 4 table we have to cancel. 3 4s are 12. So we get 3 by 1. We can leave denominator 1. Answer is 3. We get the denominator 1. No need to consider denominator 1. We have to write numerator only. So answer is 3. See the second sum. 3 by 7 into 0. If we multiply 0 with any number, then we get the 0 as answer. So 3 by 7 into 0 equal to 0. See the third sum. See the third sum. Solve 4 by 9 into 3 by 5 into 1 by 8. We have to multiply these three fractions. The question is 4 by 9 into 3 by 5 into 1 by 8. Now we have to write all the numerator and denominator together. See, 4 into 3 into 1, we can write all the numerator together like this. And the denominator also 9 into 5 into 8. Now we have to cancel this. First we can cancel by 4 table. 1 4 is 4. Then 2 4s are 8. Here 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Now we have to multiply this. See here, we get 1 into 1 in numerator, and in denominator 3 into 5 into 2. Now we have to multiply this. 1 into 1, what will come? Yes, if we multiply 1 3 times means we will get 1 in numerator. And denominator 3 5s are 15. 15 into 2, what will come? Yes, 15 2s are 30. So the answer is 1 by 30. Final answer is 1 by